should take it slow.
Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can reboot any Android smartphone. So as you can see, my touchpad is not working right now. Okay, so touchpad is not working. So what you have to do? So at the right side you have three keys. One is volume up key, second is volume down key, and the third is power on off key. So press these three keys at the same time. When you press these three keys at the same time, your mobile will reboot. So after rebooting your smartphone, you have four options right now. First is reboot, install update package, wipe user data, and power off. So just click wipe user data, scroll down by volume down key and select it from power on off key. So as you can see, I'm going to select. Now you have four options. So click on the fuse wipe data, otherwise you have wipe all data. Click this by power on off key and say yes. So as you can see, system is cleaning right now. So your system is cleaned successfully. So press the power on off key and go back and reboot your smartphone. So it's take some time to reboot. As you can see, it's rebooting. So now you can go. So your device is reboot. Now you can send your smartphone to service center. Thank you.